Hello, guys. Welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with the Web Lounge. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind none of this content is a financial advice, so you must do your own market research. And I hope you're doing great out there. So let's move straight away to the Bitcoin price. But today we're talking about will Dogwifhat surpass Shiba, or likewise, which one is doing better? That's what we going to check out today. But personally, I expected Shiba to do more. But where is the top for Dog with a Hat? It's a lot of things that those two are playing and actually competing with each other, and so much going on the meme coin world. So let's move straight away to the BTC chart before we get into anything else. So the Bitcoin price is currently trading at 66,000 USDT, and notice that anytime we came to this 200 AMA on the previous momentum, we bounced back. And I am personally expecting BTC to do the same once more. So I'm currently longing, and the next level to watch it is somewhere around 68,000 to 70K. I don't think that we're going to go lower yet, but if you are entering this trade right now, make sure to have a stop loss just right below this candle, because you want to make the most always, okay? But it is likely to go up once more. But however, everything is a probability and you must do your own market research. But we are somewhere around 18 days from the halving as well, so I don't really expect BTC to drop yet, and Ethereum. So moving back to the Ethereum USDT, Ethereum, it's on the same scene. So anytime we came here, 1 second, let me draw better for you. We came to this circle, to this point, we kind of bounced back. So as long as we are trading inside the support, I would be longing. So the next level to watch on Ethereum, it's on the top of this red candle, somewhere around 3,500. And from here, let's see what's going to happen. So if you are longing from now, make sure to have your stop loss just right below on the support place. And if we do break support, I would say, let's short. But right now, it's nothing crazy happening. We are just walking inside support and resistance, and we all know that. Moving with Dog with a Hat, it is currently at the end of this descending triangle, and it is likely to pump. Okay, it's not a certainty, but end of the day, the descending triangle is likely to break up. Okay, so Shiba is also on a descending triangle, but is not doing much as Dog with a Hat. But right now, on the trading scenario, it is more interesting to buy Shiba than Dog with a Hat. It is coming into the end of the triangle and is likely to break up once more to the previous resistance. So if you are entering this trade, make sure to have your stop loss somewhere around 15% below your entering point. And if you are longing Dog with a Hat, do the same. Just place your stop loss 15%, because you do want to manage your risk carefully. But if we go to the daily, let's go to the daily with a Dog with a Hat. This is actually crazy. Like this coin, it's literally just upside. So being related to Shiba, like even knowing that Shiba is on a better scenario to enter, on my perspective, I think Dog with a Hat is just likely to do more profit than Shiba. Okay. So if you are entering, go to the 4 hour to 1 hour graph for you to catch the best moment. So I would say 5 for Dog with a Hat, okay, right here on the previous top, kind of. So 5.0. But this coin seemed to not have a top. So be careful if you trade your Dog with a Hat. But we all know it's just been upside and upside and upside. but I would like to see Shiba flipping at some point as well. So, moving to today's news at Cointelegraph, Bitcoin traders ignore Silk Road sell as a BTC price bounces to 66.5k. The Bitcoin price recovered from 74,500 lows at one analyst say that Bitcoin bull market can lead too much attention on the bearish narratives. I agree. So the BTC returned above 66,000 on April 3 as market observed bearish of the Silk Road BTC sells. The Bitcoin price closed back April lost ground. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView tracked a modest BTC price recover after lows of near 74,500 after the daily close. This came amid news that the United States government had moved more than 30,000 BTC, 2.1 billion, which is confiscated from the defunct marketplace Silk Road on chain, subsequently selling 2,000 Bitcoin, 133 million. While this appeared to agitate on a already nervous market, traders were quickly called for calm. In every market, we've got bullish and bearish narratives. Michael Van Pope, founder and CEO of trading firm and Trading, wrote in part of a response on X. At peak bullish momentum, you see a huge impact of every bearish narrative. This time is the Silk Road Bitcoin being transferred. Van Pope added he was happy that more of the BTC supply was now available. Others stressed one insignificant of the amount sold. So here is the tweet. Genius US government selling 2 billion worth of Silk Road Bitcoin. This enables them to cover 2/3 of the daily interest on the payments that service the national debt. On the buy side, the latest data from sources, including the United Kingdom-based investment firm Farsight, put the total inflows to the US spot Bitcoin exchange trading funds ETF as just over 40 million for April 2nd, combined with the 183 million seen on a March 28, the previous Wall Street trading day with a positive net flow. The total easily eclipsed the government sell-off. So here is the Bitcoin ETF flow table. If you like to screenshot, go for it. It is very accurate. The Bitcoin needs to follow through from buyers. In his latest market update, meanwhile, popular traders who hope to see spot buyers maintain momentum related to Bitcoin reset bull market BTC price metrics as April deep passes 7%. The night sweep of the lows and good buyback reaction need follow through buyers. Now, he told on X followers about BTC USD on the 4-hour time frame. Even more optimistic was fellow trader Jelly, who stressed that Bitcoin bulls had already cleared the most significant long-term resistance hurdles. Here is the tweet. He said, Bitcoin broke the last week resistance on the chart and destroyed the level of the retest. Hurry is in less than 3 weeks, sending to the higher. I agree. Correction are normal. They do happen. You'll see them happening in every market circumstances, independent of whatever narrative Van Pope continued the day prior. In this case, I fancy a correction on a Bitcoin. It would imply on a healthier and organic market cycle. Dips are for buying in this market. I strongly agree. This article does not contain or investment advice or any recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should not conduct their own research when making a decision. So yes, guys, I also agree with him. I think we likely to see heavy corrections. And it is tough to have this kind of money into our market. Just a very quick comment before we moving into coin market cap. We have both scenes to look at once we have these big corporations playing inside our market. We got to be very careful with every decision we make, because now we have this massive amount of money coming into the crypto market. So they do manipulate people so much. So we always want to be calm and step back a little bit. Like I said yesterday, let's just step back, wait a couple of hours to take our next trades, because they play so much with money and with many things. So moving back to coin market cap, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is currently at 2.49 trillion, a 1.19% increase over the last day. The latest top community post today, just in the US government transfer 30,174 Bitcoin worth 2.1 billion sized from Silk Road to Coinbase. So I don't really think that we're going to go lower. They would not be transferring this amount of Bitcoin to whatever. So be careful if you are trading out there, because these people, they play really heavy on the market. So the fear and greedy index is currently at 71, and nothing crazy really happening. The gainers and losers, let's have a look on it. So today we see a different scene here. Anna, I've heard of this airdrop multiple times, not talking on a holding side, okay? Not talking on a holding side, but I saw they were doing a massive airdrop campaign, so it might be an interesting project to be tracking with. The price is currently at 0.8897 and is up 43.94% on the past 24 hours. Bigger token is still here. Okay, that's nice. It's up to 21.84%, currently trading at 1.35. And we see this kind of competition with centralized crypto exchanges, tokens, and I think it's healthy. We also have Flare, FLR, on the second place on the gainers today, currently up 28.07%. Near Protocol finally moving up, and I would love to see Near at $10, as it's one of my holdings as well. Not financial advice. Do your own research. If you are interested, go to Near Protocol website and have a look yourself. But it is currently up 9.05%, and I'm personally looking to cash out somewhere around 10 for the long term. Okay, Jupiter exchange token, it's also here. Currently up 6.63%, trading at 1.66. Internet compounding is up 7.59%. So Solana, it might be flipping at some point. Core a little bit down today. We saw core at 200% on the weekly. So this is something that you definitely want to keep your eyes on. What else? Vendor seems to be moving 3% at the moment, but let's see. I expect Vendor to do better as well. Shiba, as we mentioned, it is currently up 2.15% and at the end of the descending triangle. So keep your eyes on Shiba and Dogwifhat just in case. Let's see which one is going to perform better. Today, top losers is STX. The current price is at 3.27. It's down 5.19% on the past 24 hours. The APT on a second place on the losers today. The current price is at 14.56 and is down 3.79%. Uniswap, little coin, also taking some time to pump, and I'm personally expecting little coin to do a little bit better this next pumps. Let's see. Shu is an interesting project. It's down 1.61%, currently trading at 173. So nothing that deep to be buying today, really. according to CoinMarketCap. So let's have a look on the crypto bubbles to see what is currently going on today. So on the crypto bubbles, core is still leading on the weekly. So whatever is down 15%, 13%, 20%, nearly 20%, it is an interesting buying opportunity. When the SFX near, as I mentioned, it is moving on a daily, but on a weekly has loads and loads more to go. So you do want to catch these very interesting dips. Coin is down 22%, 0.5, and I also hold some of these tokens, so I think it's going to go up. So make sure to just buy the deepest dip you can. But coming back to Dogwifhat, I think it is an interesting entry opportunity. We can keep tracking this coin, and also Shiba, it is at the end of the triangle and the movement is imminent. However, if you are trading these meme coins and altcoins, make sure to do your own TA, and they move really heavy. So guys, if you are interested on having latest news and what is actually going on the crypto market, don't forget to follow uh, Voice of Crypto everywhere, join the Telegram group and visit the website. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I hope you make the most of Shiba and Dogwifhat. Thank you.